Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and I am super excited today because you know what? I like showing you something you have not seen before. I waited, I don't know how many months, 6 months, I don't know, it's a long time. This customer ordered this thing and they told me it'll be in a month or two, and it took a lot longer, but this customer, by the way, was very, very patient with it because he wanted this cover, and guess what? He's the first one getting it. So that, what am I talking about? Well, you read the title, you kind of know, but I'll show you one second. If you have questions, I'm sure you will. That is our telephone number. So come on over here, buddy. By the way, buddy, the master tech, the guy who did all this install, is behind the camera. And while I'm walking over, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, get it out of the way. So what do we have here? Well, we got the Honda Ridgeline, which, as you know, we do a lot of Honda stuff here. We're kind of known for Honda Ridgelines. You know, there's a Honda dealer down the street that sends all their customers to us, which we really appreciate. So that's why I have so many Honda videos. And what do we have here? Well, we have the new backflip MX4Ts. That's right, built-in T-slot. Now, as you know from previous videos, we've been doing custom T-slots where we put them in ourselves, and we did a really good job. Now, I do like the idea that it is built in with this. Now, we have the truck seat elevate system on here, which is, again, relabeled as a real truck one. So, real truck's putting the name on everything now. So, what do we got here? So, again, we got the MX4Ts. We have the elevate system, Honda Ridgeline, and let's go over everything. First thing first, I want to show you how they, oh, I forgot, I have the keys because the Hondas, after a few seconds, will lock, and there we go. All right, so first thing first, I want to show you tailgate this way, and of course this has that swing here. Let's see if I remember this right here. Now I'm showing you this because a lot of people is like, oh, does the tailgate work both ways? As you can see, it works both ways, no problem whatsoever. So let's go ahead and open this back up. Now on this you do have the left and right release mechanism. Why is that important? Well, if you're on the highway and you need to pull over to get something out of the back here, all the traffic is on this side, you might want to walk to the other side where it is safer. Now, as I open this up, I'm going to point out a few things. First thing, let's take a look at this tailgate seal here. Now, this is going to do a really good job of keeping the water out. Now, speaking of water, I did not sell a submarine today. I sold a cover. They're not waterproof. They're weather resistant or water resistant. So now this one does a really good job between the seal here, and it has a drainage system right here as well. So if any water was to get past the seal, it's going to go in there and that'll help drain it out. Now, if you look real closely, you'll see this is all one piece right here. This is the thing. Before, you put this rail in and this rail went with it and made it a little harder to close, but it worked. This here, it's all one unit. So come over here. Now, as I open this up here, we put this at the medium height. And the reason it's at the medium height because he wants to be able to put his kayak on top here. And that's why we did that. So now this can go higher, can go lower. If you look at the side, you see some lower holes here, so we can bring it down a little bit. And there's another set of holes up here. So it goes from 1923 to 28 inches, which is quite nice. Now let's go into the third fold here. And oh, look at that. It clears everything, no problem whatsoever. And now when it's sitting there, there's little cushions to prevent the window from being damaged. Also, when it's up like this, you do have to put the support system in there. Basically, you just kind of put it right in there, slide that down. You do both sides for the video. I'm only doing one. Now, when it's in this position, this does act as a headache rack. Now, it does not block the third brake light, by the way. And a headache rack, by the way, is if you have something big in here and you hit the brakes and everything comes flying forward, it's hitting the rear window, your very expensive rear window. It'll hit this. A lot cheaper to replace this, and this will take an impact and protect the occupants inside. Now, as we got this open, I'm going to go ahead and show you some other things here. So, with the Hondas, they got all the cool stuff, right? They got the cool tailgate. Oh, it locked again. You got to love the Hondas. Okay, might as well keep this in my hands. It's going to keep locking, right? All right, so let's open this up. Now, what I'm going to show you now is the interior trunk here. So now, as you know, now if you own a Honda, you know you have this. Now the reason I'm opening this up here is I want to show you that you have full access. As you can see, I can get in here, no problem whatsoever here. I always show it. Now it does touch this, but it does not hurt it in the least bit. Again, a lot of people are like, oh, it's not going to open completely up. It's like 95%. As you can see, I have no problem whatsoever. So I don't think anyone in the right mind would have a problem. All right, so that I like a lot. Of course, I'm sure this is going to lock up on me. Let's see. Yep, you guys say. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and now I'm going to go ahead and close this thing up for you. Oh, by the way, the drainage system we put to the sides, we don't put in the floor. So, all right, so that being said, this comes over here. You got a little thing. Now, as I'm going through here, I'm going to tell you a few other things. Now, this comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, there's a promotion going with Real Truck, and since we're an authorized Real Truck dealer, we're able to double the factory warranty. Now, by the way, when you get to the last snap here, what I do recommend is kind of putting both hands here. Make sure they both lock, because if you just push one side, sometimes the other side doesn't lock. Now, besides the new feature being the T-slot rail here, the finish is different on this. They are using the Line-X finish on here, which is a lot more durable. Now, this does come with the 400-pound weight capacity. Now, that is evenly distributed, so keep in mind. Now, the racks themselves have 3 different weight capacities. It is 250 off-roading, 500 driving around town, or 750 static. Now, static is basically if you're parked. So if you want to put a 10 up here, these actual racks can handle that weight. So it's nice. Now, the cover itself is only 400 pounds. So if you want to put plywood on there, and you can tie it down with these T-slots here. So all in all, this is a great setup. I ordered a couple extras because it took so long to get. I appreciate you guys at Back Industries. And I appreciate my customer. I actually had several customers I had to give them their money back because they just couldn't wait any longer, and I don't blame them. This guest here, he stuck it out. He said, you know what, Chris? I will wait because I want that cover, and guess what? You got it, my friend. So again, great product. I'm super happy with how everything came out. Buddy went over there, talked about some of the differences on there. There's an extra support in the middle now that's going to holds the rails on there better. I mean, what I like about Back Industries, they're constantly fine-tuning the products. And before I go ahead, buddy, swing around here, make sure we get a really good view of everything here. Because, you know, it's not just about function, it's about how it looks, and I think it looks really, really good. I tell you, all that black and white is a great look. Of course, my truck, if you look over there, has the black and white look as well. And as you can see, I have the same T-slot on mine. I got all kinds of accessories on mine, because once you get the T-slot, it opens up a world of different things you can add to this. You can put tie downs, you can put lower racks, you can put safari basket, you can put a tent up here once you have this set up. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the backflip MX4Ts with the Real Truck Elevate system on a Honda Ridgeline. Again, this is the first. Make sure you hit that like button and say thank you for putting that on for us to see. Appreciate it.